Number 1. 1998 GMC Sierra 1500, price $8,500, finished in a brown exterior with a gray interior. This truck runs on gasoline and is powered by a 5.7L V8 Vortec engine. It comes with a clean California title and is reported to run and drive well, with the 4x4 system working perfectly. A tow package is included for trailer hauling. Inside, the cabin is clean with no cracks on the dashboard, although the headliner sags and will need to be replaced. The upholstery would benefit from a shampoo, but overall, the interior remains in good condition. Spark plugs and wires were replaced just 5 months ago, and all sensors have been renewed. The truck has also received new shocks all around, along with new brakes, rotors, and rear brake pads. An aftermarket air filter has been installed, adding a touch of performance customization. Number 2. 1991 GMC Sierra, price $10,000. It carries a clean title and has traveled 182,000 miles, a testament to its durability over the years. Under the hood, it's powered by a robust 350 cubic inch gasoline engine, paired with a smooth shifting manual transmission that provides a more engaging driving experience. The truck stands out with its bold red exterior, which is tastefully complemented by a clean gray interior, giving it a classic yet practical appeal. Currently registered through September 2025, it runs great and is ready for the road, whether for work, weekend cruising, or as a collectible investment. With its strong mechanical condition, distinctive styling, and vintage charm, this GMC Sierra is a solid choice for anyone seeking a dependable and iconic pickup from the early 90s. Number 3. 1985 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000, with approximately 130,000 miles on the odometer and is still taken out for a drive a few times each week, showing its reliability. Under the hood, it's powered by a strong 350 small block engine paired with a 700R4 automatic transmission, which includes an overdrive gear for smooth and efficient highway cruising. Both the exterior and interior are finished in matching blue, giving the truck a cohesive and classic appearance that stands out. Running on gasoline, it retains its original charm while offering the performance expected from a mid-80s Chevrolet pickup. While it remains in good driving condition, it would benefit from new window seals and a fresh set of tires, making it an excellent candidate for someone looking to preserve or restore a vintage truck with plenty of life left in it. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4. 1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000. It is equipped with an automatic transmission, runs on gasoline, and has 188,000 miles on the odometer. Despite its mileage, the truck remains in excellent running condition, turning over on the very first try and delivering a smooth, reliable drive. It sits on a set of eye-catching Weld Racing rims wrapped in brand new Nitto tires, giving it a clean yet aggressive stance. The tinted windows all around not only enhance its sharp appearance but also provide added comfort on sunny days. The seller has even included a cold start video to show how effortlessly it fires up. With a clean title and its well-preserved original condition, this classic OBS Chevy is ready to be enjoyed, collected, or taken to the next level by its next owner. Number 5. 1992 Ford F250, price $4,000, finished in blue inside and out, has 164,000 miles and is powered by a 7.5L 460 V8 gasoline engine with an E4OD automatic 4-speed transmission. It features a 40-gallon long-haul front tank, Lear camper shell, fifth-wheel hitch with Prodigy controller, and ProLift air suspension. The truck is cosmetically in excellent condition and comes with a clean title and current registration. Recent maintenance includes a new timing chain, water pump, alternator, EGR valve, IAC valve, TPS sensor, oxygen sensor, rear fuel pump, distributor cap, spark plug wires, Falken Wild Peak tires, door seals, and battery. Previously a daily driver, it now starts and fires but will not idle, making it an ideal candidate for repair or restoration. Number 6. 1988 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,250. This truck is a true one-owner Alabama barn find, preserved in remarkable condition. Showing 226,000 miles on the odometer, it still retains its original gold paint and panels, with absolutely no rust anywhere on the body. Powered by a 305 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, this fully loaded pickup comes equipped with power windows and power locks, all functioning perfectly thanks to brand new switches. Recent maintenance includes a new fuel tank, fuel pump, and water pump, ensuring reliable performance.
The chrome trim gleams, the tan interior is in excellent condition, and the truck runs, drives, and stops just as it should.
Riding on classic 15x8 rally wheels, it showcases immaculate floors, rockers, and cab corners that reflect its rust-free history. This Sierra comes complete with its original 1988 title, build sheet, and owner's manual, making it an exceptional example for collectors and enthusiasts who appreciate originality and preservation.
Number 7.
1991 Chevrolet S10, price $3,500, finished in white with a blue interior, has 209,000 miles, and is powered by a 4.3L V6 paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission. It features the Tahoe package for upgraded appearance and trim, plus a tow package. Despite its age, it runs and drives beautifully, with everything working, including the original Delco radio. Owned by the same family since new, it was purchased in 1991 by the seller's mother and father-in-law and carefully maintained ever since. This all-original truck has just passed emissions with excellent results, is currently registered, and comes with its original title, highly sought after and increasingly rare in this condition. It can be enjoyed as is, turned into a mini race truck, or even cloned into a GMC Cyclone.
Number 8.
1997 Ford F250, price $4,000, finished in white with a tan interior, has traveled 146,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Powered by the dependable 4.6L V8 gasoline engine, it has proven to be exactly what it was built for, a reliable, honest pickup that starts every time without complaint. This 10th generation model showcases the classic body lines of the era, offering a comfortable cab and a spacious bed ready to handle whatever cargo is needed. The engine runs strong, the transmission shifts smoothly, and the air conditioning blows cold, thanks to a brand new compressor. Recent maintenance includes new tires, a fresh battery, a new starter, updated coil packs, new spark plugs, and wires, ensuring this truck is ready for the road.
Number 9.
1981 Ford F250, price $4,000, finished in a classic brown exterior with a tan interior, is powered by a robust 400 cubic inch big block engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. Running on gasoline and configured as a 2WD, this vintage bullnose pickup has earned a reputation for reliability over the years. Its naturally aged patina gives it plenty of character, while the interior remains impressively clean for its age. Notably, this is a factory non-catalytic converter truck, meaning it was built without emissions equipment from the factory. An original California Blue Plate vehicle, it drives remarkably well for its age and has proven to be an incredibly dependable classic.
Number 10.
1977 Ford F-150, price $7,000, equipped with a strong-running 351M engine that has only 39,400 miles on it, making it a rare find for a truck of its era. Over the years, it has received numerous updates to enhance both reliability and performance, including the addition of a dual exhaust system, a 4-barrel carburetor, upgraded brakes, an electric fuel pump, a new starter, a flywheel, and a brand new battery. These improvements ensure that it starts easily, runs smoothly, and delivers a confident driving experience. Known for both its dependable performance and the deep, satisfying tone of its exhaust, this classic F-150 offers a great blend of vintage charm and mechanical strength.